Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a new for 2020 Hot Wheels, number 227 of 250 on a USA card. We got the McLaren Speedtail. Yep, I love the McLaren Speedtail, loving this casting. Almost got this open, but I decided to wait until a future video, and today's the day that I'm going to get to open it. Hot Wheels Exotics, number 2 of 10 for 2020. And P-Case, GHB 53. The McLaren Speedtail was born in 2019 Surrey, England. Designer is McLaren Automotive. This highly advanced Speedtail is a teardrop-shaped hybrid hypercar that pairs a twin-turbo 4-liter V8 with an electric motor to produce 1,035 horsepower and a top speed of 250 miles an hour. The car is a 3-seat cockpit layout, similar to the original McLaren F1, where the driver sits in the center and provides maximum visibility. I actually have my McLaren F1 right here, so we can see in the McLaren F1 how you can see in the the driving on the central driving. This one has a nice steel blue color to it. Then I got the 2021 version in orange, and then a later 2021 version in gray. This one in the gray one gonna be hard to differentiate. Alright, gotta pick its corner. And then it should be like a nice pop open. Like so. It was actually kind of hard to do that clean, but I managed to get it. Nice open. Here's the steel blue McLaren Speedtail. Ooh, we got nice spinning wheels. And in real life, this is actually what the wheels look like. Here's a nice look at our McLaren. Teardrop shaped. Nice. Hot Wheels Exotics and new casting. Front we got AeroDisc, back we got 10-spoke, both in gray color. There's the back there, not much detail. I think we can see details right in there though. Probably hard to see them. There we go, it says Speedtail right there, and you can see the lights. Yeah, liking it, liking the interior. It's like completely clear. Front, yeah, look at that. Slick design, great aerodynamics. McLaren symbol right there. Base is plastic. 2019 copyright. Made in Malaysia. One rivet is painted, one is not painted. And I'll give you a nice look at the 3 McLaren Speedtails side by side. I have all 3 of the variations now. I don't know if there's any premiums or anything, but these are all the ones that I know of. And I think these are the only 3 that exist so far. Can't wait to see what the 2022 variation is going to look like. Thanks for tuning in and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it, and it'll really help me out. Thanks for tuning in, and goodbye.